Yo, Chuck, what's the move, man? I was on my way up here to the studio, you know what I'm saying? And this brother stopped me and asked me, yo, what's up with that brother Chucky D? He swear he nice. I said, yo, the brother don't swear he nice, he knows he's nice, you know what I'm saying? So Chuck, I got a feeling you turning into a public enemy, man. Well, yo, right now, kick the bass for them brothers and let them know what goes on.
Okay, next one, Team Latvia.
Expose those cats who pose as heroes, take advantage of blacks. The government's gangsters, so cut the crap. A war going on, so where y'all at? Fight for power, cause great responsibility. After police, who's stopping you from killing me? Disaster fiascos.
Esam atbraukuši uz Beļģiju. Laiks pagaidām nelitina, diezgan lietains. Bet vakardien tika aizdīts diezgan veiksmīgs treniņš. Sportisti visi apmierināti un pieraduši pie grūns, kas arī mūs sagaida šeit, Lierneuks mototrasē. Pirmie iespēja par trasi ir diezgan akmeņaina trase, kas varbūt nav patīkami, bet par cik, kā jau minēja, līst lietus, tad trase noteikti būs dubļaina un tas, es domāju, mūsu sportistiem spēlē tikai par labu. Šodien sportisti un mehāniķi un visa komanda izgāja tehnisko kontroli. Visi to izdarīja pirmo reizi bez jebkādām problēmām. Tagad atliek tikai gatavoties rītdienas sacensībām.
Revolution means change, don't look at me strange. So I can't repeat what other rappers be saying. If you don't stand for something, you fall for anything. Harder than you think is a beautiful thing. Get up. Just like that. Get up. Just like that. Get up. Just like that. Get up. Just like that.
Yeah, that's right, Chuck, man. That's what you gotta do. You got to tell them just like that. You know what I'm saying? Cause yo, man, let me tell you a little something, man. These brothers running around.